Look at that.
So
Oh, Tate would love this.
yeah.
He likes sharks.
Yes, he does.
Look at that. It's a hammerhead.
Yep.